Tip number 2 is regarding zip hoodies. I'm guessing many of you upload your designs to these products, but you probably don't get too many sales on them, and that's generally been my experience as well. However, recently I've seen a lot more of these zippers sell for me since I adjusted the placement of the designs when uploading. So there's two alternatives to this default alignment right here, which isn't ideal because you've got the zipper going through the middle and also the print area is quite small. So what I've been doing is either sizing this down, making it smaller and placing it over the left chest. The even better alternative, at least in my opinion, is to remove the artwork from the front like this and then upload it to the back print area instead. Because this way we don't have the zipper in the way, we've got a way bigger area to work with. So especially if you've got very tall designs that fill out, a tall rectangle like the standard t-shirt. And from my experience recently, those designs work a lot better